Hi, welcome to 210. We have got some new friends here joining us. Several of you are continuing on from ECE 209 that just ended last week. Nothing new for you folks. This course will run exactly the same. But for those that are new to us, welcome aboard. This new way of conducting classes is interesting. You have the option each and every week to come to class or to participate at home. We're going to call that asynchronous or out of time, meaning you're busy Thursdays at 11, so you'll find another time to do the coursework and get it in. Each and every week you can make your own decision. So if you're working and you can only come once out of the 8, we'll love to see you that 1 week. If you can never come, if you can come every week, it's all entirely up to you. You want to take a look at our course schedule here and note that a participation activity is due every single week. If you come to class, that's easily earned. And if you don't, you can, you'll look online and see. I usually record segments of our class, post them, and ask you to do something similar to what we did in class. Other than that, everything is pretty straightforward right here. We have 4 learning modules that we're going to get through. Each one has 2 weeks. So when I assign a learning module, you have 2 weeks to process all of the information, read the content, listen to the videos, whatever's in each one, and then you'll see the activities that are due. These are all due Sundays. Participation activities, I don't usually get to post those until about Friday morning. So if those come in Monday or Tuesday, that's not a problem. Of the week following, I know that having a late in the week Thursday class meeting makes it a little bit tight. So no worries there. We run all the way through December 11th and culminating portfolio at the end. This class is my favorite of all of the classes here at Harper College to teach. It's about getting our hands dirty together, talking about the creative experiences that we'll put in front of young children and trying them out ourselves. So come in, not with your fancy clothes, come in a little bit ready for a mess and ready to try some new things. Hopefully, like I said, you can come and join us as often as you can, or stay at home and do your own thing there. All is welcome, all is good. Any questions, you know where I am. I didn't say my name. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Kathy Nicolai. Over here in the menu, faculty information is there. You can click on that to get my email address. You're welcome here in my office anytime, before or after class. I'm accessible and available to you, so all you have to do is say the word and we'll find a time to connect. Welcome aboard, everybody.